Hello creative souls, and welcome to this week's video. To go away on my travels, I'm going to Portugal and Spain. I would normally take a travel kit this sort of size. My last travel kit was this size, but as I showcased this beautiful purple field case the other week, I am taking this, but I'm going to share with you some bits that I'm going to take out and some bits that I'm going to put in. So stick around to the end and I'll show you exactly what I'm taking on holiday with me. Okay, so I'm going to start by opening up this field kit and showing you what I had in here the other week when I was down on the beach. So my wristband, this was quite cumbersome. I took my oil pastels and my Neo Colour 2s in a tin. I'm not taking that with me. I'm scaling right back. Obviously in here, this field case is by the same makers of the Art Toolkit. So I've got my Art Toolkit palette with me. I've now got a white gouache in here and I've added 4 more colours. So I'll be taking that. I took the little mixing palette out. I've got a really big clip here. I'm not taking that. I've got my mixed media A6 size Stillman and Burn sketchbook. I'm going to be taking that. I'm going to take my viewfinder. I've got my black micron pen, pencil, Posca pen, eraser and a water brush. So can I fit all of that on the camera for you to see? Right, now I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in and take out. Right, so I've already shown you what I'm taking out. I'm taking out my Neo Colour 2s and my oil pastels. I think it's going to be pretty hot where we're going, so I don't really want those getting all melty and sticky. Taking out this big clip. What else am I going to take? I'm taking out, shockingly, my Posca pen. I'll show you why in a second. And I think the rest is staying. Now, what I'm going to put in here is my Milky Brush pen. So if you've watched my latest video, I actually show you this in that. I'm going to take my other Pentel water brush because it's got a slightly flat bristle on the end. And I'd really like to take my Pentel brush pen as well. Is it all going to fit in? Now, last time I took this, I ran out of ink. So just checking the cartridge, looks pretty full to me. And I've got 2 smaller clips. So I'm going to pack this and see how I get on. Right, so I'm going to put my sketchbook in first. I'm going to keep it on that side. I've got my Art Toolkit pocket palette. That's going in. I've got my 2 little clips. They do fold down flat. I'll leave those out for a second. Right, now then, 2 water brushes. Are they going to fit in? Because the Pentel ones have got a little bulge at the top there. So I'm going to push those in. I've got my Milky Brush pen. And I have got, I wonder if my eraser, the Tombow Mono eraser is quite thin. That will fit down there. My micron pen, size 3. Plus my Faber-Castell mechanical pencil. Right, this Pentel brush pen isn't going to fit here, but I've still got this whole side left because I'm not taking that bulky tin with me. I really want to go as light as possible because I want to shove this in my rucksack. I'm not a handbag kind of girl anyway, so and then my pen that I can fit in the middle, and I do want to take a couple of clips because it does get quite windy, so it will hold my pages down. Just seeing if that'll clip on there. They do go flat, but it's a bit fiddly getting the other side in, but it's worked. There we go. Let's close that up. That is much flatter than last time, and hopefully a lot less effort. So really quick video this week. The next video I will show you how I got on my holiday. I'm hoping to do some urban sketching. I absolutely love this field case. I've only used it once out on the beach, which I showed you in my video, but I'm really looking forward to taking it away with me. I know a few of you that have watched the video also have splashed out on one of these field cases. I think a couple of you may have even got the purple as well. I know someone mentioned the red. But let me know how you're getting on with them in the comments. Let me know if you've managed to get out and about and using your field case and what you put in it. Anyway, next time you see me, I'll share my travels with you. And as ever, thank you for watching.